Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started.
Get ready for an adventure. We'll see how planes zoom and rockets blast off, design our own reusable rockets, and navigate a fun trip to Mars.
Have you ever looked up and seen a giant airplane soaring high above? It looks so big and heavy. How does something so huge stay up in the sky? Let's find out. It's not magic. Airplanes fly because of science. There are 4 super important forces that work together to make a plane zoom up, zoom forward, and stay in the air. The first force is lift. It's the amazing upward push that holds the plane high in the air. Without enough lift, a plane can't ever leave the ground. Airplane wings are shaped especially to make lift. They're curved on top and flatter on the bottom. This special shape helps the air push the wing up. The second force is weight. It's the downward pull of gravity on the plane, always pulling it towards the earth. For a plane to fly, lift must be stronger than weight. The third force is thrust. This is the super strong forward push that moves the plane through the air. You need thrust to get going fast enough for lift. Airplanes use super powerful engines to create thrust. They suck in air, push it through, and shoot it out the back super fast, pushing the plane forward. Zoom! The fourth force is drag. This is the air pushing back on the plane, trying to slow it down. It's like a big invisible hand trying to stop the plane. Planes are designed to be very smooth and pointy to reduce drag. This helps them cut through the air easily, like a fast fish gliding through water. To take off, a plane speeds up until lift is stronger than weight. Once in the air, thrust pushes it forward, fighting drag, keeping the plane flying steadily. Airplanes have special movable parts on their wings and tail that help pilots steer. These parts change how air flows, creating new forces to turn, climb, or descend. Not all planes are the same. Passenger planes carry people. Cargo planes carry huge loads, and fighter jets are super fast. They all use the 4 forces. Helicopters fly a bit differently. Their giant spinning blades on top push air straight down, creating lift that lets them take off straight up and even hover. Now you know the secrets of how planes fly. Next time you see a plane in the sky, be a flight detective. Can you spot the forces of lift, weight, thrust, and drag at work? So remember, the sky's the limit for your discoveries. Keep asking questions, keep looking up, and keep soaring into the amazing world of science. Hello, space explorers. Today we will learn how rocket ships go zoom. Up, up, and away. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wished you could visit the moon or the stars? To visit space, we need a special kind of transportation, a super-duper fast rocket ship. Rocket ships are different from cars or airplanes. They need to go super fast to escape Earth's big pull. Inside the rocket, there's special fuel. It's like super fast juice that makes the rocket go. When the fuel burns, it makes lots and lots of hot gas and flame. Whoosh! This hot gas pushes down, down, down very, very hard. And that push makes the rocket go up, up, up. Before a rocket can fly, it stands tall on a launch pad. Everyone waits, ready for the big moment. Then they count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time for the big zoom. 3, 2, 1, lift off. The rocket roars and zooms into the sky. It goes faster and faster, leaving Earth behind. What an amazing sight! As it goes higher, some parts of the rocket fall away because they're not needed anymore. Don't worry, they're supposed to. Soon, the rocket is in space. Everything floats because there's no gravity to pull things down. Now our rocket can go visit the moon, or planets, or even the faraway stars. Rocket ships help us explore the big, big universe. What would you like to see in space? Subscribe to Tender Intellects for more amazing adventures. Zoom into the sky. Let's explore the amazing world of flying machines. First up, the airplane. See how it speeds down the runway, getting ready for takeoff? Airplanes need air to fly. Their engines pull air in and push it out, creating a force called thrust, and their wings lift them up. Once they're in the air, airplanes use their wings to glide and their engines to keep moving forward. Now, let's look at a rocket. See it standing tall on the launch pad, filled with power? Rockets are different. They carry their own special ingredient called oxidizer, so they can create fire and push themselves even in space where there's no air. Watch it soar higher and higher, pushing through the air and into the blackness of space. Airplanes breathe air. Their engines suck in air, mix it with fuel, and push it out to create forward motion. Rockets carry everything they need. They have fuel and an oxidizer that mix and burn to create a powerful thrust. Airplane wings are specially shaped to create lift. As air flows over them, it goes faster on top, creating less pressure and pushing the wing upwards. Rockets don't need wings to fly in space. Once they escape Earth's gravity, they can travel in a straight line thanks to the initial push. Airplanes need runways to take off and land. They carefully descend and use their wings and flaps to control their speed. Some rockets can even land back on Earth. They use special engines and sometimes parachutes to slow down for a safe return. So, airplanes need air to fly and runways to land, while rockets carry their own air and can go all the way to space. Both are amazing machines that help us travel and explore. What will they do next? Have you ever built with Legos, knocked it all down, and then built something amazing again? Well, guess what? Rockets can do that now, too. For a long time, rockets were only used once. They'd blast off into space, do their job, and then splash down in the ocean, never to fly again. What a waste. But some super smart scientists and engineers had a brilliant idea. Why not make rockets that can come back home, just like an airplane? Imagine a giant spaceship zooming up into the sky to deliver a satellite, like a pizza delivery truck for space. But instead of crashing into the sea, this amazing rocket turns around and starts flying back towards Earth. It uses special engines to slow down and carefully lands on its own legs, just like a superhero making a perfect landing. Touchdown! The rocket lands gently, safe and sound, ready for its next space adventure. Hooray for reusable rockets! Think of all the cool things we can do when rockets can fly again and again, more science experiments in space, more satellites to help us learn about our planet and connect with people all over the world. And maybe even more trips for astronauts to explore the stars and discover amazing new things. Reusable rockets are like the superheroes of space travel, saving the day by being efficient and Earth-friendly. They help us save money and build even bigger and better rockets for the future. So next time you see a rocket launch, remember that some of them are now experts at flying up and then flying safely back down. Reusable rockets are making space travel more exciting and accessible for everyone. What amazing things will they help us do next? Keep looking up, space explorers. The future of rockets is looking bright, all thanks to the power of reusability. Have you ever dreamed of zooming to the stars? Today, we're going to design our very own awesome rockets. Blast off with your imagination. Have you ever looked up at the stars and wished you could zoom right up there? It's a super long way to the moon or Mars. To visit the moon or Mars, we need something super fast and super strong to get us there. What kind of special machine could it be? That's where a rocket comes in. It's a powerful machine built to zoom us through the sky and into space. Rockets are special because they can push themselves off Earth and keep going, even when there's no air to push against. How cool is that? Most rockets have three main parts: the pointy top, the big middle part, and the super powerful bottom. The pointy top is where the payload goes. It's what the rocket carries, like brave astronauts, busy satellites, or special tools. The big middle part holds the fuel. This is the special rocket juice that makes it blast off with incredible energy. The bottom part has the mighty engine. It burns the fuel and pushes out super hot gas to make the rocket go up, up, up. The engine pushes gas down and the rocket pushes up. This powerful push is called thrust. It's how rockets fly. When you design your rocket, it needs to be super strong so it doesn't break when it's zooming fast or shaking a lot. Your rocket also needs to be lightweight. The lighter it is, the easier it is for the engine to push it into space. A pointy shape helps the rocket slice through the air easily, like a fast fish in water. It makes it super speedy. Rockets usually have fins at the bottom. Fins help keep the rocket flying straight, like feathers on an arrow. Now you know the secrets. What amazing rocket will you design to reach the stars? The universe is waiting for you. Ever wondered how rockets fly to the moon or Mars without getting lost in space? It's like the ultimate road trip. Sending a rocket to space is a huge journey. It needs a super smart plan to get from Earth to its faraway destination. The rocket's brain is called its guidance system. It's a super powerful computer that knows exactly where to go. First, the rocket needs to know exactly where it is and which way it's going. It uses special sensors for this. Tiny spinning devices called gyroscopes keep track of the rocket's exact direction and any little turns it makes. And accelerometers measure how fast the rocket is speeding up or slowing down. These give clues about its path. For true space navigation, rockets use star trackers. These cameras look at distant stars, which are like cosmic street signs. By matching the stars they see with a special map, the rocket knows its exact position in space even without GPS. Before launch, scientists map out the rocket's entire journey, called a trajectory. It's a precise, curved path through space. If the rocket drifts off course, its guidance system fires small thruster jets to make tiny adjustments, keeping it on track. Mission control on Earth is always talking to the rocket using radio waves, checking its location, and making sure everything is okay. Gravity plays a huge role. Planet's gravity bends the rocket's path, helping to guide it towards its target. For landing, the guidance system uses its sensors and computers to make super precise adjustments for a soft, safe touchdown. From the Moon to distant Mars, these amazing navigation systems help spacecraft travel millions of miles with incredible accuracy. So remember, a rocket's guidance system and clever sensors are its cosmic co-pilots, always making sure it stays on course. Have you ever dreamed of rocketing to another planet? Today, we're going on an incredible journey. My first trip to Mars. Let's go! Have you ever looked up at the tiny red dot in the night sky and wondered what it would be like to visit Mars? I know I have. To get to Mars, we need a special, super fast spaceship. It's our cozy home for the long journey through space. First, a giant rocket pushes us up, 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 past the clouds and into space. What a thrilling ride. Whoosh! Inside our spaceship, there's no gravity, so we float everywhere like superheroes. It's so much fun to just float. Traveling to Mars takes many months. We watch movies, play games, and do space exercises to stay fit. After a long trip, look, there's Mars getting bigger and bigger outside our window. The red planet is waiting. Landing on Mars is tricky. Our spaceship slows down and gets ready for a gentle, bouncy touchdown. So smooth. Touchdown. We've landed safely on the dusty red surface of Mars. Yay, we made it. To explore outside, I need my special spacesuit. It keeps me safe and gives me air to breathe on Mars. Whoa, taking my first bouncy step on Mars. It feels different, a bit springy, because Mars has less gravity than Earth. The sky on Mars is not blue like Earth's. It's often a beautiful butterscotch or pinkish color, so unique. We meet our robot friend, the rover. It rolls over bumpy rocks and collects samples for us. So helpful. Mars has huge canyons, towering volcanoes, and giant holes called craters. So much to explore on the red planet. My family is watching my adventure back on Earth. This has been the most amazing trip ever. What will we discover next? If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.